How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. While this 2003 Gulfstream B-Touring Cruiser is already sold, the great news is you can subscribe to our channel for more small motorhome tours coming soon. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2003 Gulfstream B-Touring Cruiser 5210. A little bit of a different tour here. This particular unit is already sold. The new owners wanted me to do the video tour here. So here we are doing this. A little reminder for folks, we do have a lot of RVs here that are not listed yet. They don't get listed until they go through our inspection and refurbishment process. This was one of those units. So if you're hesitant to make a trip out to us and see us, you might find just what you're looking for that's not even advertised yet and decide that's the perfect one for you, just like these folks did here with this BT Cruiser. They're getting ready to head west. They went off to lunch here so I could film this video, but we got our dinette here, so you're gonna drop this down. It's gonna make a bed like the other B-Touring Cruisers that you see here on our channel. Got some storage down below there. More storage. Screen window here. Got some lights, AC power here. Screen window to the rear on the driver's side. Jackknife sofa. This will flatten out into a bed. Got our fuse panel here. This is our AC breakers and our DC fuses. That's a good physical representation of the power systems in this motorhome. So the AC breakers, like you have in your house, are running through the shore power plug-in or the generator. And the breakers are your coach battery system. We have a two-way fridge freezer here. Control that there with the switch on the front. Leave that in the auto setting. Got instructions there in the bottom of the box. Furnace return here. These are furnace ducts down by the floor. Here in the center, you can have this flap open. It's blowing down at us. Or you shut this here, and it's going to push it out of the ducts. Closet here. Obviously makes a great spot to put your gear. Nice big drawer. This is a coach battery disconnect that will disconnect the coach battery to prevent parasitic draw. Also disconnects the charging systems to the coach battery, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, or the alternator while you drive. Little mark there on the wall. Convection microwave oven. Runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Got our levels test here. These are notoriously finicky, so you don't want to trust these all the time. We got gray, black, fresh, and propane here. Coach battery condition. Turn your water pump on and off here. This little red light's for that. That will pump the water out of the fresh water tank to your sink, shower, and toilet. Water heater that ignites itself. That runs on propane. Hood, light, and fan. Generator start-stop with our hour meter here. You can run the generator anytime you'd like, while you're driving, while you're parked. 3-burner cooktop, the real oven. Got some porch light switches and things like that down by the floor. Fire extinguisher. Got several drawers here. Great for all the stuff you want to take along with you on your journey. Some more storage here below the sink. More storage overhead. Got a skylight here. You can have this changed out to a fantastic fan if you'd like. Moving now to the bathroom. Got nice big mirrors here. Help you get ready. Shower's easy to access. Got skylight for headroom. Nice big mirrored cabinet here. Lots of mirrors. Help you get ready. Plug in there for your stuff here in the bathroom. Easy to access this stool. Some nice storage underneath the sink. People are usually shocked to find out that I have a police record, but I love their greatest hits. In all seriousness, the new owner of this is an officer of the law. I want to say thanks to him for his service and keeping everybody safe out there. Got about 76.5 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. This is our thermostat here. It's going to control our HVAC systems. Got a mix of hard surface and carpet flooring. Got AC power over here as well. Makes that nice when you're riding. DC power, different spots for people to charge up their different devices that they take along with them on the trip. AC power in the back of that. That's where our TV is plugged into. More storage behind that. We've got this curtain. You can pull across here for privacy up in the front. It's a little different than our usual tours here. But a reminder to everyone watching, if you're looking for a small motorhome and you're thinking about coming out to see us, it's worth the trip. We got a lot of stuff listed online. We also have a lot of stuff that is not listed. We do not list those until we're done going through our inspection and refurbishment process, which is quite thorough. But if you come out, you can see those. And if you see something that's perfect for you, like these guys did with this one, it might be become years before it ever even makes it to the internet. So this one is all set up here for them to head west with Pumpkin, Peanut, and Bear, their dogs. They're going to go have some fun after they head out here from Kuhn Truck and RV. Nice unit, real low miles on this one. Again, already sold, but check out other ones at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we have power windows and locks. Nice clean upholstery. Not seeing any signs of smoking in this one. Cigarette lighter's unused, so it's tough to say for certain. I'm going to call this one a non-smoker. We also have a backup camera here. We installed this for them here at Kuhn Truck and RV. This is the style we prefer to use. It's a wired system. You can also turn this on while you're driving, so you can see behind you to see if somebody's tailgating you. Got my brother Levi out here, getting a couple things buttoned up for them here before they head off on their journey. But again, if you want a backup camera, we can add that to any of our units here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2002 Gulfstream B Touring Cruiser 5210. This RV measures 22 feet bumper to bumper with a 10-foot manual awning. We have dual rear tires with brand new rubber. This motorhome is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 6.8-liter V10 engine with only 10,428 miles. Nice looking exterior on this one. Stripes are still in good condition for a 2002. Got storage down here. Furnace exhaust. Back of the refrigerator. Automatic stairs to go up and in. Got a handle to help you access the coach. Porch light. 2 AC plugs so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Back of the water heater that burns propane. It ignites itself. Propane tank. Turn that on and off with the valve on that. Molded fiberglass rear corners. Got our tow package. Great for e-bikes. Other things you want to take along on your adventure. Ladder for rooftop access. Come around now to the driver's side. Got our sewer drain down here. Everything's going to come out of this tube. You're going to do the black first, which is right over here. Then you're going to do the gray. It's going to wash everything clean. Sewer hose storage. Got some storage here. Goes quite a ways back there. Fuel fill is going to run the engine and the generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Got coax in if you're staying in a campground that has TV. Shore power cord that's attached to the unit. It's a 30 amp shore power cord. A closer look at the sidewalls and the striping. Fill for the onboard fresh water tank. You'll use the water pump inside to pump that out to your sink, toilet, shower. City water connection, run a water hose in there. It's going to provide pressure. Our coach battery. Generac generator. Generator exhaust. Molded fiberglass front nose cone. Decals up there are in good shape. Usually a good sign that something's been stored inside. Low miles here on this BT Cruiser popular floor plan. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.